What is going on, guys? We are in the vet once again, as always, so it seems. And I'm just doing a little update on this Bluetooth module. So the way that it was initially wired, where the power wire from this plug went into the red and white wire of the XM module, meant that whether the car was on or off, this dude was always powered up, ready to go. So that just kind of created a little bit of a battery drain. So I did some research and found that over here in the back of the trunk, right next to the latch, you have a antenna module, I believe, and it has this white connector on it with a white wire. So this white wire is Keon power, and I'm assuming this doesn't use much current at all. And hopefully that doesn't use a lot of current either, because what I have done here, at least temporarily, because the only wire I could find is this piece of black wire, which I don't really want to use for power, but I've disconnected the red with a white stripe, which was the constant power there. And then this red and white wire already has the module and this guy hooked up to it. So I've connected those two, run them down into the harness, into that white wire from the white plug. I just did it over here in the harness. And in this harness there is only one white wire. Both of these are either black with a white stripe or white with a black stripe. So that's the only white wire in this harness. But if you're doing this, please go ahead and continuity check from there to there, to make sure you got the right wire before you hook it all up. So with that being said, the car is locked and it's been off for like more than a couple minutes now, so this module is off. But when I unlock the car, like a normal day, I hear the radio turn on, and then this guy turns on. Meanwhile, in the car, if we have the accessory on or the engine running, we still get our XM button here, because that module is powered. And then if we shut the car off and get out, lock the door, not sure if the hatch being open is going to mess with this at all, but in less than a minute, this module, there goes this module, and then the antenna module will have all shut off the way that the antenna module has worked from the factory. I'm going to wire this up correctly, solder it, shrink tube that side at least, and I'm going to use a red wire. I just put this little jumper in there as a temporary, as a test, because power wires probably shouldn't be black. It'll confuse me or the next person that decides to work on this thing. So as always, guys, good luck. Hopefully you're smarter than me and you just did it this way from the get-go.